Hi everybody and welcome back to the MetaTailor YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our educational series on focusing and honing in on specific elements within MetaTailor to make sure you are using it to the best of your ability. Today's video is about importing either a hat or some other sort of headgear. So stick around, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, here we are inside MetaTailor. We've already got our avatar pulled up. Let's go ahead and import something. We can find our import next to Home, Design, and there's import right there in the top left. And then over here it gives you three options. Your cloth and accessory, assembly, or avatar. We're gonna be focusing on cloth and accessory because we're gonna be pulling in a hat or a headpiece. The acceptable file formats are FBX, OBJ, MTA, GLTF, or GLB. We are working off of FBXs exclusively because I prepared all those in Maya for us. So there's our hat right there. Go ahead and hit open. I love this hat. It is a old fisherman's hat. So the first screen brings it up for us. It shows us the name of it, how many meshes are applied, and how many materials there are. This just has one material, so that's gonna be really easy. I can come down to my color. If you've got color maps and normal maps, normal, and metallic and roughness maps, you can add all those, ambient occlusion and emissions. It'll let you apply all of those and really get a cool looking like fisherman's hat. All right, you can mess with your hue and your saturation if you wanted to kind of tint this hat, bring your value down. The value is how much of the actual color here is applied. Saturation kind of adds a little bit of color to it. What kind of color do you want to attach to that? So if I wanted to make that a little bit more yellow, I could add that in there. We drop our value down a little bit. Let's make it a little too dark. We bring our smoothness up and our metallic up to really push some of those. The smoothness is the overall sheen. The metallic pushes the metallic textures, like those little grommets, or if you want to call them buttons right there. We'll go ahead and hit next step. Then it brings it onto our actual avatar and says, hey, what category do you want to classify this as? It always defaults to jacket. I'm going to change this not to hair, but actually to head. I'm just going to put it up near your head. If you want to take a look at your source dimensions, you can. I'm not going to keep that. Let's go ahead and hit next step. Our hat is rotated the wrong way, so first thing I'm going to do is try to rotate it about 9 degrees this way. And then I'll move it back. This hat's pretty large. I love the look of it, but I think I'm going to have to shrink it down just a little bit, so let's scale that down. Maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. Bring it down a little bit. And you only need to hit about 60% accuracy because MetaTailor would take this dumb mesh from Maya or ZBrush or Marvelous, and it's going to make it a MetaTailor smart mesh, which is what allows all the dynamic layering and everything else to match the body. So, okay, I got this really cool hat. If we needed to, we could do start pose match. That allows us to, like, say our shirt was in an A pose and our character's in a T pose. We can adjust and make sure it fits our character. Let's go ahead and hit next step. And it's going to apply this hat for us. There we go. The hat's on our character. We can start bringing in all the other outfits and other elements to this and bring it all in, but that's how you can import a hat. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this either answered a question or taught you something new about MetaTailor because it's such a powerful program that has so much potential that you are able to do everything you need to do within it. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like and subscribe down below to see more videos like this one. And that's it. Get out of here. Go get dressed. Bye, everybody.